My name is Doctah B. Sirius. Billy Carson and I will be presenting a very special workshopping class called The Blueprint for God Power. On January 7th, I'm going to teach you how to tap into the divinity code within every one of your cells, which lights a fire towards your desires, where your wishes become manifestation. If you are seeking radiant health, sustainable wealth, and limitless love, be at this workshop. God power is when you begin to crystallize your imagination. When you become intentional, you'll get a blueprint of how to conduct yourself, to anchor yourself, the captain of your ship, so you can ride the wave where your conscious mind and your subconscious mind are working together for your higher self. So come, get the tools of transformation, because this information has never been given like this before. After this day, you'll know exactly who you are and how to move forward. 2023 and beyond, the blueprint for God power is yours.